What happens when a reputational crisis involving a CEO or senior executive explodes into the public eye? Whether it's an inappropriate relationship, whether it's a leaked message, or a viral video, companies need to understand when and how an internal investigation gets triggered. Let's take a hypothetical example. A billion-dollar company, two executives caught on camera in a questionable moment in front of millions of people. The footage goes viral. Suddenly, headlines, speculation, and public scrutiny dominate the conversation and start to impact the brand and the reputation of this company. These moments aren't just PR problems. They create legal exposure, governance risk, and questions about leadership judgment. The board has to act fast, not just based on public pressure, but rooted in a sound legal framework. When should a board trigger an internal investigation? 1. Did the conduct violate company policy or fiduciary duties? 2. Could it expose the company to liability? And 3. Does it undermine executive credibility or leadership capacity? If the executive team is involved, the board, not management, needs to lead this investigation. That means forming a special committee and bringing in independent outside counsel. In-house legal is usually too close to the issues, especially if you supervise business lines. It makes way more sense to have an independent third-party firm come in and preserve evidence, interview witnesses, deliver upjohn warnings, and review not just the facts, but the culture that allowed the facts to happen. The outcome is about the board making sound decisions and assessing whether leadership can continue without impairing the company's credibility, and deciding in many cases whether there's a transition for certain individuals that makes sense moving forward. If you have a particular question about internal investigations, or you just want to get a general overlay of the landscape and understand kind of what the do's and don'ts are and walk through some hypotheticals, please feel free to reach out to me or my team at Gesmer.